Alight for Sydney Opera House and the Rocks. Change for trains, including the airport line and ferries.
So I'm learning my way down here. I'm gonna have to take the train to the airport eventually. But today, it's a beach day. And we're going this way. It's a beach day. Sure. So Manly leaves at in like 20 minutes. We need to get a bite to eat. Found a little bite to eat, and look at this. Is this not amazing? We're about to hop on the ferry, but we had about 10 minutes to kill. Thought we'd grab a bite. It's about a 40-minute trip on the ferry over to Manly. I feel like cattle at the moment. We're just kind of herding our way into the boat. Made it on the boat. It's a ferry. Didn't get that good of seats. I really wanted to be outside, but look at that. The Opera House right there. Eating some banana bread. I got some English breakfast tea. I'm starting to get the hang of this being an Australian thing, and it ain't a bad deal.
Oh, there are always people. Yeah, there's groups of them. So
how's your muffin?
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Everybody talks so classy here. I love it. I'm gonna come back home with better words, you know, like, absolutely. I miss my kids. Seeing that little girl down there makes me miss my little girl. So don't think I'm not thinking about you, Carly and Tommy. I'm always thinking about you, even when I'm out in paradise. I walked outside because I couldn't help myself, and I'm about to turn around and it's super windy, so excuse the wind, but we are headed this way to Manly. This is so pretty. I wish I had my phone. I can zoom in. I now know for the ride home. I'm pretty sure straight ahead is Manly Bay, and we just have a short walk, like, I don't know, a half a mile to the beach. We're probably gonna go get some surfboards first though, so I'm stoked. I'm so pumped about today. I love the beach. I love that salt life, but I don't ever get to live it because I'm always on the road racing cars. And I, you know, with my kids back home, I really just don't ever do vacations and get away and do things that I want to do. And so today I don't have anything to do. And my mate said, let's go down to Manly. I heard some stories about Tony Elliott coming down here, and he would spend all his time down at the Jenkins boys were telling me that he would spend all his time down at Manly because he loved it. Dave Eastep told me a story this morning how he remembers Tony Elliott telling him that was one of his favorite places in the world was here in New Zealand. And so I'm gonna go hang out at Manly Beach where Tony Elliott, one of the past title champions, Australian champions, hung out. And I'm gonna surf, I'm gonna enjoy myself, I'm gonna channel my inner Tony Elliott, and hopefully we can get this Jordan Brothers S-Slinger up front and put this thing number one. Just got off the ferry, and we are gonna go get ourselves into something. Adventure time with TmezTv on TmezTv. Okay, I'm gonna have to do some shopping here because I like surf shops and skate shops. We found the ocean. And this beach, okay, yeah, go put your trousers on. This beach looks a lot safer than Bondi. Warning, Bondi is the real deal. Do not swim at Bondi unless you swim in between the flags. Found a pretty cool spot. I love rocks. Ooh, that's a little chilly. Look, there's a fish right there. Hey, and look how clear this water is. I'll go buy a hat right now, mate. Summer and winter here. It'll do us, mate. Oh, that was so nice. That was so nice. How could you not love the ocean? Love the ocean. As soon as I leave the ocean, I want to go back to the ocean. I'm planning vacations to the ocean. Like they're right there. What a lovely day on the beach. The waves are getting a little bit more, we didn't end up going surfing because the waves were kind of flat. Waves are getting a little bit bigger, but nobody's really surfing, so. We went and had some Mexican food. I've been eating nothing but meat pies because I'm down here with Pie Man. Top of the Ridge Bakery and Pie Shop is where my mate's from. Just did a little shopping for the Calcutta, and it's pretty nice down here at Manly Beach. They kind of have all the stores, surf shops. I love surf shops, so I am digging my adventures today. Had a good time over at the beach, and now we are waiting on a ferry again. But check this out. Oh, there's our ferry. No smoking. Smoking's bad. There's our ferry coming in, and here we got one coming out. So the last ferry, it was crowded. We were stuck inside, and I wanted to be outside, you know, so I had went and scoped out everything, and I found this little side spot. So we're gonna be coming in to the harbor on a good side, I think. And check this view out. Not the beautiful blonde down there in the yoga pants, but the sailboats. The waves had to have been 10 foot tall out there when it was rough. That wind was hard. What a kick-ass day. Time to head home, get some dinner and a shower. So look at what I just got. And welcome to the nicest mall I've ever been in. It is ridiculous here. So just got off the train. What a lovely day. Did some shopping, got some gifts for everybody, and man, the city's been amazing. Tomorrow is back to Speedway stuff, so getting the tourist out of me, and gonna get some rest tonight. Probably a good meal, thanks to Glenn and Brenda, because they're amazing cooks and have been feeding me so well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. That really helps out. And if you want a shirt or something, get a hold of me, email me. When I get back to the States, we're gonna be doing a big shirt deal. So as always, thanks for watching TmezTv. I'm out.